Want to limit who can clip your streams? Here's how to restrict Twitch clips to followers or subscribers only. Like and subscribe for more Twitch creator tips. First, go to Twitch TV and log into your account. Click your profile icon in the top right and select Creator Dashboard. In the left sidebar, click Settings, then select Stream. Scroll down to the Clips Settings section. Here you'll see the option for followers only clips. Turn this on to allow only followers to create clips. If you want to go further and allow only subscribers to clip, however, you can set your chat to subs only during streams. Disable clips entirely under content settings, then clips. Use third-party bots to monitor and limit clipping behavior. That's how to control who can make clips on your Twitch channel. Like this video and subscribe for more streaming tips and settings walkthroughs.